Hello students, this video is the continue of the trigonometry. This book, Understanding ICSE Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal, I have taken this, and the exercise 17, the trigonometrical ratios. The 3 videos, you can say the 4 videos I have made already on this chapter. One more video I am making now. This is the continue trigonometry part 4 continue. Question number 26. Here the given the prove the following. So there is prove the following. How to prove the any trigonometrical identities, like cos theta into tan theta. Prove that cos theta into tan theta is equal to sin theta. So you will take the left hand side. Do you know the formula of all the trigonometry? That is 26 formula I told you in the earlier video. If you in the left hand side put the value of the tan theta, means cos theta into this is sin theta upon cos theta, and cos theta cancel, directly you will get. This is the answer, is equal to right hand side. It's very simple. Similarly, the third part of the same question, sin square theta, third part, upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. You have to show. Again take the left hand side. If this is the, and sin theta and cos theta are simplest form. This means if any other trigonometrical ratios are there, suppose tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, you must change into the sin and cos and then solve the questions. In this the already it is given, so just you take the LCM. तो LCM लेंगे तो क्या आएगा? That is cos square theta, because cos theta you multiply here and then whole is cos. And do you know that this formula? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. This is the formula, sin square theta. This is the identity you have in the 26 formula. The first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So by this way you can show. Now some more question here, like 28, the first part of the question number 28. Here given the one figure, ABC is the right angle at B. I am drawing this figure. You must draw in the question. ABC is the right angle triangle at B. This is the right angle triangle. And one more line is there, SR. And from S the B is joined. Then R is also right angle. X, this is the X degree. This is Y degree, means angles are there. This is the 7.5 centimeter and this total length 18 centimeter. It is given in the question. And this RS is 5 centimeter. RS, मतलब ये length. You have to find, these 3 lengths are given. You have to find the tan x and sin y. Find tan x and sin y. How to find tan x and sin y? Before that you must find the AC. सबसे पहले AC निकालें. सबसे पहले, because in the triangle ABC the 2 sides are given and this is the right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, in which triangle? ABC, and find the value of AC. So how to find the value of AC? This AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, means AC square is equal to 18 square plus 7.5 square. 18 square 324 plus 7.5 square is 7.5 square is equal to something, I must calculate here. So it will be 56.25. 56.25 is there, and when you add you will get the 380.25. This 380.25, when you take the square root of this, अभी मैं इसको रब नहीं कर रहा हूं, AC is equal to under root 380.25. when you find the square root you will get the 19.5. मतलब ये लेंथ अब हमारे पास में आ गई 19.5 सेंटीमीटर. means this is the 18, this is 7.5, this is 19.5. but also you have to find this length. ये भी लेंथ निकालनी पड़ेगी. why? because you have to find the tan x and sin y. तो tan x के लिए tan x means this is the base, this is the perpendicular. तो perpendicular upon base you should know this BR. Similarly sin y, तो sin y is this, so it means this is the base, this is the perpendicular. तो perpendicular upon hypotenuse means you can get now the value of sin y. but for the tan x you should know the BR. how to find the BR? this you can write. इसको निकालने के लिए एक एप्लीकेशन मीन्स ये जो लिखा हुआ है इन दिस, द हिंट इज गिवन द सिमिलरिटी, बट डोंट अप्लाई द सिमिलरिटी बिकॉज सिमिलरिटी इज टफ. I apply in this triangle. Can you see this triangle? This one. If you let this is as small a, this part, yeah, AR. Tan y is equal to perpendicular upon base in triangle ARS. Tan y is equal to 5 upon AR. AR means small a, suppose, या AR भी लिख सकते हैं, इसको AR लिखें, AR निकल आएंगे. एंड दिस इज द इक्वेशन 1. सिमिलरली इन ट्राइंगल, फुल ट्राइंगल ABC, अगेन tan y is equal to, कैन यू फाइंड द tan y? परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस फुल, यानी 7.5 अपॉन 18. इक्वेशन नंबर 2. इक्वेशन 1 and equation 2 both are equal to tan y. It means you can take equal 5 upon AR is equal to 7.5 by 18. So taking equal equation 1 and 2. So what you will get? 5 by AR is equal to 7.5 by 18. Now simplify this to get the AR. अब इसको simplify करें तो how to simplify? AR is equal to, you can note down, अब इसको हम थोड़ा सा रब कर रहे हैं, नीचे वाला पार्ट बाकी है. तो AR is equal to 18 5 is 90 upon 7.5. ओके, सो 5, इसको अगर हम डेसिमल हटा दें तो यहां पे आ जाएगा 5 15 and 15 12 180. okay, so AR is equal to 12 centimeter. if this is 12 centimeter so what will be the BR? the BR is equal to 18 minus AR, means 18 minus 12, that is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Now you can get the first part is tan x. This is equal to, in the triangle, this triangle, 6 upon 5 is the answer. and the second part is the sine y, that will be the 7.5 upon 19.5. Means you can solve now. So these are the two answers, but this is the method to solve or to find the value of AR. Just right on. So you can see again and again the video and you will understand. Now I tell you the one more question in which the students faces the problem, like question number 30. In this question a figure is given like this, and this is joined by this way. This is angle phi, इसको phi बोलते हैं, मतलब PHI, phi. And then one more angle is given. This is angle is theta, and this length is 14. यहाँ से यहाँ तक 14, 13. This length is 13, and this length is 12. This is the A, B, C, and D. You have to find the sine phi. First part, sine phi. Second part, tan theta, and third part, one more part is given. Write an expression for AD in terms of theta. Write an expression for AD in terms of pause. In terms of theta. So how to find these three parts? Sine phi. Sine phi means using this triangle, okay, because it is phi angle. And sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means this part is the perpendicular because it is 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree. तो अगर ये 90 डिग्री है तो this is the perpendicular because angle phi you are taking upon hypotenuse. So angle perpendicular is not given. So find the CD by using Pythagoras theorem. Solution: we find CD in triangle ABCD using Pythagoras theorem. So CD square is equal to BD square minus BC square. So it will be 13 square minus 12 square, means 169 minus 144, and then CD is equal to 25 square. So CD is equal to 5. This is 5. After getting the 5, you can find the sine phi. So sine phi will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means CD upon BD. This will be 5 by 13, the first answer. Second answer, you have to find the tan theta. ये थीटा, लेकिन यहाँ पे तुम्हारा ये ट्राइंगल कोई भी 90 डिग्री वाला नहीं है. 90 डिग्री ये याद रखें. This is not the right angle triangle. So first you change in right angle triangle. How to change? Draw the perpendicular from D to AB. ऐसे perpendicular draw करना है अपने आप. ये पूरा 90 14 है. This point is E. Suppose if this is E and this is 90 degree, तो इसका मतलब this part BE and CD both are equal. तो this will be 5. तो this will be 9. This is 9, and this one, what is the value of this length? Because this is 12, तो ये भी 12 होगा because 90 degree and makes a 90 90 90, and the fourth one obviously will be 90. So it is the rectangle, और rectangle में opposite sides equal होती है. That is why the opposite sides are equal. After getting the 9 and 12, can you find the tan theta? Yes. you can find, but before that you have to write for the second part. We draw perpendicular from D to AB as DE. ये perpendicular है DE. Then BE is equal to 5. Therefore AE is equal to AB minus BE, means 14 minus 5, this is equal to 9. I'm not writing the unit because in the question the unit is not given, तो unit नहीं लिख रहे हैं, but you can write the measurement only. After finding this 9 and 12, अब ये DE also 12 because DE is equal to BC. The BCDE is a rectangle, so DE is equal to BC is equal to 12, and then tan theta is equal to perpendicular, this is the perpendicular, this is the base, 12 by 9 means 4 by 3. This is the answer. After getting the tan theta, the value of tan theta, can you find the third part in which it is written write an expression for AD in terms of theta? AD को in terms of theta लिखना है, मतलब हमें इसको in terms of theta लिखना है, this one. तो AD किस किस रेशियो में आता है, मतलब हाइपोटेन्यूज, साइन थीटा, कॉस थीटा, सेक थीटा, कोसेक थीटा, किसी को भी ले सकते हैं. For example, if you are taking the sin theta, what is sin theta? In this case, perpendicular is DE and hypotenuse is AD. So sin theta will be 12 by AD. So AD is equal to 12 upon sin theta. This you can write 1 upon sin theta, also you can write as the cosec theta, क्योंकि 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec. So this is the third answer, AD in terms of theta. AD in terms of theta, ये भी छोड़ सकते हैं, यहाँ भी छोड़ सकते हैं, both are the correct. Then one question I tell you again of the proof. In this you have to show that the other, like the question number 31, sin A plus cos A whole square plus sin A minus cos A whole square is equal to, you have to show 2. This prove that. How to show? कैसे शो करेंगे इसको? जस्ट एक्सपैंड, क्योंकि ये होल स्क्वायर लगा हुआ है तो एक्सपैंड करें a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, तो इट विल बी साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए प्लस साइन स्क्वायर ए, एक्सपैंड दिस, माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए. इज इट करेक्ट? It is absolutely wrong. Or I observe that some of you in so many years, because from 22 years I'm teaching, so and in these years some of the students does like this. बस इसको स्क्वायर किया, इसको स्क्वायर किया, इसको माइनस भी लगाया, कोई मतलब नहीं है कि व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर एंड व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. दैट यू शुड नो. हर एक समय तुम्हें फॉर्मूला याद होना चाहिए. तो इट इज द साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए प्लस 2 साइन ए कॉस ए 2ab प्लस साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए माइनस 2 साइन ए कॉस ए. अगर ये पार्ट नहीं लिखेंगे तो यू विल गेट 0. अभी ये कटेगा, प्लस 2 साइन ए माइनस 2 साइन, एंड साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस साइन स्क्वायर ए, दैट इज 2 साइन स्क्वायर ए. Again cos square है, cos square है, 2 cos square है, then 2 is common, sin square है plus cos square है. Again this is the identity and then you can say is equal to 2. So this is the method to show the to show the question, prove that by using the trigonometric formulae. One more question, it is given in the book 32. Question number 32, where prove that 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, simplify. You have to simplify. What you will get after simplification? Very easy. Anything you know about the 1 minus sin square theta? कुछ फॉर्मूला पता है इसको क्या कह सकते हैं? What you will say? This is equal to cos square theta. And what you will say about this? This is equal to sin square theta. Which formula? Again the same identity. Sin square a निकालना है तो cos square a को उधर ले जाओ, cos square a निकालना है तो sin square a को उधर ले जाओ, तो you will get 1 minus sin square, that is cos square, 1 minus cos square, that is sin square. And cos, अब क्या इसको ऐसे नहीं लिखा जा सकता, cos theta upon sin theta whole square, and because it is square तो अंडर रूट तो हट जाएगा ना, तो क्या बनेगा ये cos theta upon sin theta. And what is this? ये क्या कहलाता है? Cot theta. This is the formula, cos theta upon sin. So by this way we can say that this exercise is over. So you have to do and do the practice for all the trigonometric formulae questions and do more practice, because this is very important chapter for the further future classes, class 10, 11 and 12, if you will take mathematics in 11th and 12th. Thank you, all the best.